Last week, when Tesla's Made in China Model 3 delivery numbers were revealed, people who were skeptic of Tesla were quick to point out sales flop because the numbers, April numbers were low. But recent images show that Gigafactory 3, Giga Shanghai, is operating at full speed. Look at these images, friends. We have never seen 16 carriers at any given time in previous videos waiting to be loaded. Must have lots of long-range Model 3s there, says my friend Ray on Twitter. Tesla China is on track for next big Model 3 milestone for Gigafactory Shanghai. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harian from TorqueNews.com. It's good to have you here. Tesla China is on track to achieve yet another milestone in its Gigafactory Shanghai facility. In a recent interview with local media outlet Xinhua News, Tesla's global vice president Tao Lin stated that the electric car maker is poised to achieve a production rate of 4,000 Model 3s per week in its Shanghai-based facility as early as at the end of June. So 4,000 Tesla Model 3s per week that are made in China at Giga Shanghai. Gigafactory Shanghai's 4,000 per week Model 3 production target has been shared in the Q1 2020 update letter, with the company stating that the target output will likely be reached sometime in the middle of the year. In the Tesla vice president's statement, prove accurate, the electric car maker would be poised to hit its aspirational goals perfectly. Producing 4,000 Tesla Model 3s per week by the end of June is no joke. It's not easy, considering the challenges that were faced by Tesla when it was ramping the electric sedans production in the United States. Remember how difficult it was to increase the production of Model 3s in the United States. It took months and months, and people were waiting for a long time. During the Tesla Model 3 ramp in Fremont, the progression from the production rate of 2,500 units per week to 5,000 units per week took a significant amount of time and a lot of pain on Elon Musk's part. In comparison, the Model 3 ramp in Gigafactory Shanghai seems to be progressing smoothly. Why? For a simple reason, because Tesla has learned a lot of lessons from ramping Model 3 production in the United States at the Fremont factory, and Tesla has now experience which it can easily apply. Experience in production, experience in logistics, experience with people. Especially, it's even more important because of this virus uncertain situation. You know that production in Shanghai stopped for I think 2 weeks, and they restarted it again with some precautions in place now. So the facility started producing trial units of Model 3 less than a year since the facility's groundbreaking, and by June 2020, the Shanghai-based plant was ready for mass production of Model 3, made in China Model 3. The facility's output, Giga Shanghai's output, has steadily improved from 2,000 units per week, 2,000 Tesla Model 3s per week to 3,000 Tesla Model 3 vehicles per week in just a matter of months. This was despite the outbreak of this virus in China. Gigafactory Shanghai's operations were already affected by the 2020 Spring Festival, but the virus outbreak and these uncertain economic times ultimately resulted in Tesla's China factory being closed until February 10. Only then was the electric car maker able to gradually resume its Model 3 ramp again. This, if any, makes the fact that Tesla China is poised to hit 4,000 Model 3s per week by the end of June extremely impressive. It appears that Tesla will be over-delivering on its targets for Gigafactory Shanghai. The Model 3 factory in the Gigafactory Shanghai complex has been expected to hit a production run rate of 150,000 vehicles per year in 2020, which translates to about 3,000 units per week. If Tesla can optimize its China plans operations further, there is a good chance that the company can hit a run rate that's far beyond 150,000 Tesla Model 3 vehicles per year by the end of December. I think this is an exciting news, friends, and as you can see, the parking lot is full of Tesla Model 3 vehicles. Like I said, look at these images. You see 16 carriers are ready to be loaded Tesla Model 3s, and in previous videos that we have received coming from Gigafactory Shanghai, we have never seen that many carriers ready to be loaded. So things are improving, the production is going up, and this is good news for Tesla, for our for the global environment. The more electric vehicles we have on our roads, the better for us. So this is good news, friends. Welcome back again. This is Armen Harian. It's good to be here with you. I appreciate your comments very much. I'll see you in our next report, which is coming in about 1 hour, about the latest this Monday from Giga Berlin. Let's see what's happening in Giga Berlin. I have exciting news to report there. Stay safe, friends. God bless you, and take good care of each other. See you in our next report, and please let me know what you think about the ramp of Tesla Model 3 in Shanghai. Have a blessed day.